Welcome to the self-help video guide for NTU Training Management System account creation. This video will guide you through the setup of your free TMS account in 3 steps. Account creation is a one-time setup. This means you only have to do this once. Step 1. Visit the Training Management System website. Type in the TMS web link tms.ntu.edu.sg in any browser. Step 2. Create your new account. Click on Sign In at the top right-hand corner of the page. Click here to create a new account if this is your first time using TMS. Choose Learner. You are now on the Register as a Learner page. Fill out the form by providing information for all fields marked with the red asterisk. Note 1. For the user ID, you may use any combination of characters, numbers, or your company email address. Note 2. For company-sponsored learner, please provide your most frequently used company email address. This will facilitate billing and payment by your company. This is also where you will receive your security verification code. Do not use your personal email address if this is for a company-sponsored course. Note 3. Provide your name as on your NRIC or passport. Note 4. Fill out the remaining form and click on Submit. Step 3. Complete the setup of personal profile. Just like all online account creations, the registration for TMS account is only completed after you have finished completing the setup of personal profile in TMS. To do so, visit the TMS website again and click on Sign In at the top right-hand corner of the page. This time, click on Learner and log in using the user ID and password which you have just created. This is what you will see when you log in successfully to TMS. Click on VT. You will then see this page where TMS will prompt you to complete your personal profile. You may retrieve personal information with SingPass or manually update your basic profile. We recommend retrieving your personal information with SingPass, so you may log into TMS using SingPass at your next login. After you approve the retrieval of personal data via MyInfo through SingPass, you will see your personal data populated in the TMS applicant details page. Check through your personal particulars to ensure accuracy. Tick this box if your mailing address and residential address are the same. Then click on Submit to confirm your personal particulars. You will see this page when your personal particulars have been successfully submitted. You may now navigate freely in the TMS environment. Only courses which are open for public registration can be found. If you are attending a course which is customized for your company, no further action is required from you. We have come to the end of the self-help tutorial. Before you go, this is a quick recap on how you can set up your free TMS account. Step 1. Visit us at the TMS website. Step 2. Create your free account and decide on a new user ID and password. Step 3. Log into TMS as learner and complete your profile. We recommend retrieving your personal particulars via SingPass. By doing so, you can log in using SingPass at your next TMS login. If you have questions about account creation or about TMS, feel free to contact us at inservice@nie.edu.sg. Thank you for your attention. See you in NIE soon.